I've never done so many videos in a 2 week period. We just got notice from the probate court that based on Governor Ducey's announcement that everybody's going to be under a stay-at-home order today, that the court system itself is basically shutting down except for emergencies. Now, emergencies happen in probate, as maybe odd as that sounds, but it's because probate deals with what happens after we die, but also deals with what happens when we're a vulnerable adult or incapacitated. And obviously, if there's an adult whose life is in danger or needs somebody to take care of them and make financial or medical decisions, and they don't have power of attorneys in place, they don't have a trust, and it's not done correctly or whatever, there could be an emergency, and we oftentimes deal with that. So if you have an emergency about a vulnerable adult, please call. We can still help. The court is still will still have a judge available to deal with emergencies. If it's not an emergency, then what we know is that the courts are going to be shut down until at least April 30th. Longer, we don't know. We hope not. But whenever they do open up, right? Here we are today, we get all the way to April 30th or May 15th, whatever day they actually open the courts back up. Holy moly, the courts are going to have a pile of backlog. The way they work through backlogs is they go through them by case number that you file. So in order to be in that pile and not pushed out way out into the future, we got to get these cases filed now. So if you have a probate need, if you need something done now, they're still accepting filings. That way they get a file stamp number and we can get the process started. And sometimes we can even do a little bit of work with that. But let's get it filed. That way we get in the line, we get in the queue to be able to process it as soon as courts open up. So that's what's happening. That's what's new in probate. That's what's new with our probate court system. So it looks like they're shutting down except for emergencies, and they'll be accepting things filed in priority. And when the wait list, and it basically be going to be creating a wait list. So when the courts start working again, it's going to be a lot of work for them to do. We want to be as early in that wait list as possible. So our staff is still working. We're still grinding through work. We're still helping clients. And so if you have something come up, just call. We'll be able to take care of you and get everything going and get that done. All right, that's it.